Hey guys, so the people at Fullstar sent me over this 8-in-1 vegetable chopper for an honest review. And guys, this chopper has 8 interchangeable blades. So whether you're chopping onions, slicing tomatoes, or spiraling zucchini, it's got you covered. Check out how quick it is, guys. And just wait, you can switch out one piece for another in a matter of seconds. And guys, no mess, no stress. The container catches everything, so your countertop stays clean and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. I love this feature right here. It really holds that vegetable safe so that you can easily glide it across the blade. And guys, be very careful with the blades because they are sharp. And the vegetable comes out very nice, very thin, the way you want it. I especially love this feature. It keeps it nice and safe and locked until you switch over, and it's very easy to pull up to change your blades. You want to make mealtime prep faster and easier? Guys, grab your Fullstar 8-in-1 vegetable chopper today. I recommend it.